darling. Hey, Tom, give me a high five. Give me a high five. High five. Boom! Boom!
Can you show me your muscles? What are you doing? Show me your muscles.
Tommy.
My eggs. Show me your muscles. Show me how strong you are. You don't want to do it? Show me your muscles. Show me your muscles. Oh, there they are. Oh, my goodness.
Big man.
Say bye-bye, Tommy. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, good job.